Slide transitions and animations. Slide transition and animation are very important features in PowerPoint that helps you make the slides appear, disappear, move, etc. Let's know about these features. Slide transitions. In a presentation, when one slide ends, the second slide moves in during a slideshow. The way one slide follows the other on the screen is called a transition. To add transitions to slides, follow these steps. First, select the slide from the slide navigation pane. The transition will be applied between this slide and the previous slide. Second, click the Transitions tab. Third, in the transition to this slide group, none is applied to each slide by default. Click the More button to see all the available options. Click a transition to apply it to the selected slide. This will automatically preview the transition. Fourth, in the timing group, do the following. A. Click the arrow next to sound to display the list of transition sounds. When you hover over a sound, you will hear it. Click the sound you want to add. B. Select a desired duration to set the time limit. C. Click Apply to All if you want to use this transition to all slides in the presentation. However, you can use different transition style for each slide. D. Advance Slide lets you choose how to advance a slide. Check on mouse click if you want the slide to stay on screen till the user clicks the mouse or presses a key. Check After and adjust the time if you want the next slide to appear after a certain duration automatically. Animations. Adding movements to the text or objects on a slide is called animation. It is an important feature of a presentation that attracts the attention of viewers to certain part of the slide. To animate text or an object, follow these steps. First, select the object you want to animate. Click the Animations tab. Second, in the Animation group, click the More button to display the gallery of animation effects. Select the desired effect out of these. Entrance effect for how the object will enter the slide. Emphasis effect for when the object is on the slide. Exit effect for how the object will leave the slide. Motion paths effect to make the object move in a specified pattern on the slide. Third, the number 1 appears next to the text or object. Also, in the slide pane, a star symbol appears next to the slide. Fourth, similarly, you can add animations to other text or objects on the same slide. They will be numbered 2, 3, 4 and so on and will run in that sequence. Fifth, you can add more than one animation to the same object. Sixth, to decide when an animation will start, click the drop-down menu arrow of the Start box in the Timing group and choose any one option out of these. On click, if you want the animation to begin after you click on the slide. With Previous, if you want the animation to begin at the same time as the previous one. After Previous, if you want the animation to begin immediately after the previous one. Seventh, if you want to change the order of the animations, select an animation and click the Move Earlier or Move Later option of Reorder Animation in the Timing group. Eighth, to remove an animation, select it and click the Delete key.